Now, I was waking up today, looking through the news, scrolling as I normally do. You know how people be on their phones going hard. I'd be doing some of that too, but I'd be looking at the business news, and I came across one of the biggest losses that I think I've ever seen on this channel. Now, Asia's Richest Man, which comes from the I want to believe it's called the Most Adani group. I believe it's a hedge fund, but we're gonna get more into that. But I'm seeing that they're losing $28 billion a month. Yes, 28 billion with a B. I don't know how anybody, any business on this planet can sustain losses like that. So I think it's really interesting, and I think it's something that you guys might want to look into. Obviously, I'm not going to hold you up, so let's go ahead and, get into this article, see what's going on. Why are they losing all of this money? What type of business are they? All the details and everything like that. And if you guys like this type of content, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, everything like that. I'm trying to bring you guys the business news, and that really just helps me out a ton on this platform. So I appreciate all the love and support you guys have shown me, but let's go ahead and get into the article. Okay, so it says Most Adani shares continue bloodbath. It's a bloodbath as Asia's richest man loses 28 billion in a month. Okay, so he's not losing 28 billion per month, but he lost 28 billion in a month. A big hit. I think that's the biggest hit that we've seen on this channel. That might be even worse than Tesla. Now it says shares of the Adani Group companies continue to see sharp losses for a third consecutive trading session, so they must be some type of hedge fund, as the company attempted to rebuke short seller firm Heidenberg's report, which accused the conglomerate of stock manipulation and an accounting fraud scheme. Okay, so not only are they doing bad in their trading, but they're also, being accused of market manipulation and fraud. Not good at all, and we can kind of see why this man is losing so much money. Now it says Adani Enterprises paired some of its earlier gains and closed 4.67% higher in Monday's session after the group published a lengthy response of over 400 pages to Heidenberg's report over the weekend, saying that it will exercise its right to pursue remedies to protect its investors before all appropriate authorities. So it looks like they put out a, kind of like, cool off, guys, let's cool off. We're all good here. We're all good here. It's okay. Nothing's going on. Nothing's wrong report. And it was actually successful as they were able to close a little bit higher. So a good PR move for them and everything like that. And it's good that we can see here that we can see a stock chart. We can see it's gotten completely obliterated with it being at around $4,000, making its way all the way under $3,000 and settling at about $2,900. Now it says the Adani Enterprises stock price remains more than 25% lower month to date. Refinitiv data shows it proceeded with a secondary share sales worth 2.5 billion, which was overshadowed by a rout that wiped out a total of 48 billion at last week's close. So they are getting wiped out. I would love to see how much assets under management they have, because not many hedge funds can take a $48 billion hit like that. Now, founder Gautam Adani, the richest man in Asia and once second only to Elon Musk, fell out of the world's top 5 richest to 7th place on the Bloomberg's billionaire index. So, Elon lost his place. I'm not sure if he still has it, but we know he lost his place last year after, he went and pretty much sank Twitter into the ground, and also sank Tesla stock into the ground, because all the Tesla shareholders are looking like, bro, what are you doing over here at Twitter? We didn't sign up for this. We thought you were going to be focused on Tesla. Tesla's not doing well. As we know, we talk about Tesla over here all the time. They're having a very low amount of sales, so they're having to pretty much slash prices on these Teslas to ramp up that demand, which isn't a good sign, but they got to do what they got to do, and it looks like it is actually working out right now. Now his net worth fell between fell 27.9 billion year to date, the index shows. It peaked at 150 billion. Oh my god, guys, imagine having $150 billion net worth. September 20th, 22, before falling to 92.7 billion as of last week's close, according to the index. Despite small gains seen in Adani Enterprises, other affiliates of the Adani group continue to plunge. Now you can see this is the total gas, possibly a ETF, and it is getting slaughtered as well, worse than, you know, the firm as a whole. So that is not good. Adani Total Gas and Adani Green Energy both dropped by the daily 20% limit. So it's literally hitting its limit. Adani Transmission fell more than 15%, and Adani Power lost 5%. I'm seeing shorts. I'm seeing shorts on shorts on shorts. We're shooting our shot, people. I might have to short. Now, India's Nifty 50 index traded 0.25 higher on Monday and hovered at the lowest since mid-October. Now, it's called an attack on India. I wonder what that is about. So this is more so a Indian company. I'm assuming this isn't like, you know, just naturally when I was thinking Asia, I was thinking of like China, you know, that type of thing. India is obviously in Asia, all of that. Asia is the largest continent in the world, you know, but I just didn't know that this was in India. I probably should have learned by his name. What was his name? Yeah, Gautam. That's not like a Korean or a Chinese name. That's more of a, you know, like more of an Indian, you know, type of name. Now, the Adani Group said that Heidenberg's allegations were a calculated attack on India, independence, integrity, and quality of Indian institutions, and the growth story and ambition of India in response. So they're saying this is an attack on India and the Indian markets. Now, the group's chief financial officer, I'm gonna mess this up, but let me try it. Juggesh Shinder Sai said in an interview with CNBC, an affiliate of CNBC, TV18, that the value of Adani Enterprises has not changed simply because of share volatility, adding that it instead lies on its ability to incubate new businesses. And that is a thing here. Like, obviously, share price volatility is going to make stockholders not want to hold because, you know, if you know that the price of your stock is going to be all over the place, you never know if it's going to be a good investment. And most smart, you know, investors, not the YouTube gurus that we see out here, are looking for safe investments, you know, 15, 20, 12% a year, something that they can hold on to for 30 years and be possibly able to pass down to their kids. They're not looking for things like 10% in a day. So high market volatility is something that's going to sway most smart investors away. And also when reports and things come out like this about a market, that's going to make less people invest into a lot of these businesses. And I believe that that is why, you know, this Indian group is calling this an attack on India. It's almost like they want to bring the market share of the Indian market down a little bit. And in order to do that, you don't actually even have to expose. But if you come out with enough news or enough lies that just makes people feel a certain type of way about it, then that damage is still done. It's kind of like the Amber Heard situation where even though Johnny Depp won the court case and he was actually the one who was speaking the truth, all the damage was done and we may not get the new Pirates of the Caribbean. You feel me? So let's see. So he added that he is confident that Adani Enterprises following on public offering will be fully subscribed, calling Hindenburg's report simply a lie and the timing of the report malicious. Hindenburg on Monday morning described the group's response as bloated and claimed it ignores every key allegation against the conglomerate that it raised. So Hindenburg is actually firing back and they're saying, no, these aren't lies. You guys haven't responded to all the things that we are alleging about you. Now it said fraud cannot be oh, this is an interesting word, obfuscated by nationalism of a bloated response that ignores every key allegation that we raise. The short seller title its response to the Adani group. So they're definitely attacking Adani group. They're shorting the group, which, as you guys know, means that they're betting on the stock to go down. And of course, it would make a lot of sense that they would bet for a stock to go down and be able to make money off of a stock going down, while they're also talking trash about the stock at the same exact time. I mean, that's one of the best things that you can do. Like, is if you're betting on someone to, you know, go down, then the best thing that you can do is spread negativity about them. So what do you guys think about this? And yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this and everything. Are you guys on the side of the Adani group? Are you guys on the side of Heidenberg? Do you think that there's a lot that really probably needs to be exposed, or do you guys think this is kind of like a calculated hit piece to bring the price of Adani down, you know, so they can either get it at a better price or just simply make tons of money short selling it, which we've already seen that they're short selling? I think it's a very interesting thing. This is one of the second richest man in the world, and now he is getting absolutely slaughtered. So I think this is very interesting, and they're losing billions of dollars every week, people, every week. So this is major. So if you guys like this type of content like this business, daily business news, definitely like, comment, subscribe, all of that to help the channel grow. You know, I'm just trying to get out here and make more content and better content for you guys. And the more love and support you guys show, that really motivates me to do this. And I really love doing this for you guys. I want to have the good conversations going so we can really talk about this and we can all just be more informed as a people. So I really appreciate each and every one of you for, you know, showing your support to the channel. But you guys all have a great day. Be blessed. And I mean, at least you're not losing a few $1 billion a day. You know what I'm saying? So it could be worse.